Step 1. Open Ezviz app on your mobile phone. Click the portrait button on the top left. Family and guests. From shared device page, click Add sharing. Enter a valid Ezviz email address or phone number account you would like to invite. Click Continue. Select a device to share. Edit device permissions for the guest account. Click OK. Click Add sharing. Sharing succeeded. Step 2. To accept the invitation, the guest account needs to open Ezviz app. Click the message above. Confirm to accept the device. Shared device will be displayed on guest account's accepted list. Guest account can go to camera's settings page to check shared permissions and device settings. For additional assistance, feel free to contact support team by emailing at support@ezvizlife.com. Our team love to help.